Hey, this is Andrew Brown. We are back, and I just want to do some cleanup as we left a lot of things running here, like a knowledge base and other things. So let's go ahead and just start deleting things. So the first thing we want to do is delete our knowledge base. That is something we'll have to delete. Another thing is we have a DynamoDB table that we have sitting around, so let's go ahead and delete that. This is the big cleanup from when we did what I said that we were going to clean up from earlier, so we'll go ahead and confirm and delete this. Delete all cloud. We do not want to do a backup. So that is now deleting. There was that. We also have an S3 bucket that we don't need anymore, so we'll go ahead and get rid of that. So this is here, my rag. So we'll go ahead and just delete these quickly. And we'll say permanently delete. And I'm going to go back over to here, to buckets. I'm going to go ahead and delete this bucket now. So there was that. We created an agent. We want to get rid of that. So we'll go over to Bedrock and get rid of that. So we'll go over to agents here. And we'll delete this and say delete. So that is now gone. I'm not sure if this is gone, but we need to get rid of OpenSearch here. So let's go get rid of that. OpenSearch service. And we'll go to here to the left-hand side, and we'll go into serverless. That's what it is. It's not anything else. So we'll go ahead and do that. Confirm. So that is now gone. The other thing that is running that you may want to shut down is if you go to Jupyter and you go Jupyter Studio. Go back to SageMaker here. If you go here to the left-hand side into Studio and then launch it. Right, that's just going to open up this. We go into Jupyter Lab here, and we have this running. If you want, you can stop it. In the next video, I have to carry on because we're still doing things. We're doing fine-tuning and other things like that. Just a couple more things. And so I want to keep that around because fine-tuning, I think that we might use this space. So, well, we can just go find out really quickly. Because if we go here to the fine-tuning examples, yeah, we have notebooks. So we are going to do some fine tuning here. So I'm not going to shut that down. But for the most part, we have cleaned up our agent and our rag and anything else. And so, yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Okay. Ciao.